Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. One of those problems where you're just like, oh no, I gotta cook dinner. Oh, hang on. Dinner's cooked, I just have to reheat dinner. Beans. Most of my hardcore cooking these days consist of reheating things in a microwave. Yippee! Hey, you do not get stuff from microwave. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. So today I realized that the app Byte is now out of beta and it's in production. So Byte is a replacement to Vine. And when you look at Byte, it looks exactly like TikTok. Now TikTok's funny, but it kind of gets annoying after a while. And I couldn't put my finger on it until I got into Byte and I realized that Byte and TikTok are like comparing Twitter and Facebook. When you're on Twitter, it forces you to be concise. There's a constraint around things. Byte only lets you use a 6-second video, which means you have 6 seconds to be creative, funny, and whatever, right? To get your message across. With TikTok, it's just high school kids dancing to music. And then it's just people putting entire YouTube length videos on it. It's, yeah. There's some funny stuff on TikTok, but the creative people are gonna go over to Byte. That's my prediction. It's kind of like how most people trust using Twitter over Facebook because Facebook's evil. Also, TikTok's owned by some Chinese company, I think. Whereas Byte's owned by the guy who used to run Vine, which unfortunately went out of business. But, yeah. It's the whole Byte TikTok war. The irony is both apps look exactly the same. It's almost like who copied who, but whatever. So brief updates on the diet. It's doing good today. Really good. Just been drinking so much water that I've been going to the bathroom every 2 hours. So water in, water out. My son is waving for some reason. I don't know why. Why are you waving?
Hi. Spinny chair.
I don't know why he's waving.
I just wanted to say.
Anyways, the meal planning has super helped out. I literally just like ran upstairs and pop, done with a meal. No thinking involved. I mean, the only thing is, like, if I could figure a way to make fresh bacon and eggs every morning with some beans, then I'd probably be in cloud nine. I could sleep in like 20 minutes later, but it's actually forcing me to get up at a reasonable hour anyway, so it works out. So one thing I did want to mention is I haven't been doing the bike to Mordor for the past few nights. I strained my knee a little bit, and while it seems fine now, I just didn't want to risk it and sort of push it. I knew I was sort of pushing myself a little too hard. I'm certainly going to pick that up again, probably later this week. I just, needed a couple days off, let the knee rest up. I just realized there's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle van sitting across the room. Would you stop messing with the tripod? Seriously. You, stop messing with the tripod. So yesterday I did all that meal prepping, and then I had to go shopping, and then I had to do a bunch of laundry and edit some vlogs. And by the end of the day, I was just exhausted. And I went to bed thinking, oh, I'll just get some sleep. But for some reason, I just kind of tossed and turned. So I'm even tireder today. So I'm definitely going to bed early. So as a result, it's going to be a short vlog. Yeah. Bye-bye.